now, hey guys, we just hit the record button. Right now, we're going to be jumping into this Moto Madness video. Thankfully, you guys are still here. We're live streaming this. We're going to possibly do this 3 days a week now. We'll do some 3 short streams, short classes, and have some fun here. But let's go ahead and take a look at this one. We have Homestoned. Okay, well, I think we've seen this one before. He's not going to hit anybody. He's a little stormtrooper. Oh, watch out, 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 watch out. It's always Jeffrey. Come on, Jeffrey. Let's not act like idiots on these roads. All right, Joe458 having some fun here. That's a rock form, I can tell. Side of the vehicle. Okay, prepped and ready. Watch out for the little schmeat car coming in front of you. Did well. Good space cushion. Good progressive braking. Handled it extremely well. Go ahead and give it a little honk once you get out of danger. Love it. Did great, Joe. Kevin Biker, you guys know why that phone's not there. Ooh, lots of craziness going on. I am definitely in orange stage. You guys know what we're talking about. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's get that out of the way. Get it out of the way. Go, go. I'm trying to watch the video. Come on. There we go. All right, Diego Brusaska. All right, good position for safety. You notice his line of sight is past the vehicle, not behind the vehicle. Of course, he's switching over, but that's fine. Watch out for this vehicle wanting to do the same thing. Okay, accelerate or brake. Looks like he accelerated. Did well. Watch out for the curb. Okay, remember, you always have other things coming up. Dr. Ryder Ike, a Honda CB300R. I think we're just going to power through this video. We've seen this one on the last video as a Moto Stars. Don't know why they did that. There's another motorcyclist right there. It's kind of awkward. I don't know why they're doing this. Remember when I used to do the auctioneer type thing where I'm like, just going fast? I think I might be doing that here. Ducati. Seen you on here before. We've messaged each other on Instagram.
This place is so clogged up.
Yeah, it is. Watch out for anybody wanting to pull out in front of you. Okay, you're doing okay. I don't know if it's legal to lane filter in New York. But then again, oh, watch out, construction. Good cone pattern. Good job with your cones.
That's why.
Yeah, go ahead and grab yourself a Smart Rider drill booklet. We practice our cones, slow speed maneuvers. Whoa! Almost lost traction. People all over the place, man. And he doesn't get pissed. That's the cool thing, because everyone's doing their thing, trying to get through. He just knows that he's got to handle it. It was very awkward.
I'm getting a little too spicy for my own good.
Hey, very good, very good. Victor Silva, Suzuki. All right, watch out, uncommon thing. We got somebody in our lane. Nope, it's just the camera angle. Watch out, we got, whoa, hit a bump. Okay, I told you I wasn't going to stop it or pause it, but what'd we hit? What'd we hit? Ah, road surface hazard right there. Oh, we hit another one. What's the other one? Some patchwork. Yeah, going a little too fast. Suspension's not working well. Maybe our tires aren't working well. Wear full gear just in case. As a smart rider, we're acquiring and using personal protective equipment. We're in Bulgaria, side of the pedestrian. Gonna move through. It's green for us. Anybody coming out? Gonna hit us? Oh, a little green car coming around. High vis. We should be able to see it. Position yourself off to the side a little bit more. There we go. Now we have a good line of sight. Let's get past this. Yeah, Nick No Maker, we're streaming. Riding Dutchman, always check your blind spots, especially when swerving. My eyes are going crazy. That thing's all over the place. Whoa! This is why we talk about 360 situational awareness. Okay, let's go back just a little bit. I told you I wasn't going to do this, but I am. Okay, when we were going through here and we were in that orange stage and we were like, what is going on? What is going on? When we swerve and we have to go into that red stage, okay? When we have to go in the red stage, we have to do a quick head check. Now, before the swerve, yeah, a quick head check. But if we are riding and just going orange stage and we're just constantly checking our sides, checking our mirrors, always just kind of like bouncing between what our focal vision up front, side to side, focal vision up front, side to side. When it comes to a swerve, we kind of already have this orientation of where we are and where everyone else is. So when it comes to that swerve, we can just swerve because we know that to our left, we saw that nobody was there about 3, 4, 5 seconds ago. Same thing with our right. So don't just get fixated on what's in front of you. Check your mirrors, check everything else. And let's just move on because I keep talking. All right. That can happen. We didn't check our blind spot, but I don't think that was really a swerve, guys. Look at it. So we have that open lane situation. I know I told you I wasn't going to do this. We have the open lane situation. The vehicle in front of us is slow. We don't like that. We notice that there's an open spot here. We just switched over. That's what happens to us when we're in car or when we're on a motorcycle and cars do that to us. That's what happens. We just literally did the thing that we said that we don't want other vehicles to do to us. And the reason why that happens is because we also are everyone else. We're the same mentality as this car driver. We just have more skill because we're on a motorcycle, hopefully. And we're watching this channel, by the way. But this person's going slow. We don't like it. Open lane, moved over. Didn't look. We got hit. Pay attention, everybody. Let's have some more energy drinks. Come on, let's move on. Let's see if we can make this a 12-minute video. We'll see. Yeah, he's sorry. You got to pull over, dude. Oh, you can't do it yet because it's not safe to do so. Yeah, it wasn't safe to pull over, so it's fine.
Sorry man, probeer uit te rijden voor het busje.
Handled it well.
Nee, tuurlijk niet. Tuurlijk.
Sometimes it's not worth the deductible. The Liquor Chronicles. Great position for safety. Look at this. You see the line of sight? You see the skate path right in front of you? Watch out for this person coming out into our lane. Good job, this accelerated. Hey, we're doing good. Slow it down, slow it down. We have a turn. Oh, come on, man. We got to slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Flow of traffic. Flow of traffic. There we go. Coming up to a stop. Enjoying our music on our cardos. Yeah.
Hey, I love you too, buddy!
That person was probably not saying that, but you're saying it. Love it. Too many, Nick. Too many energy drinks. Hopefully they can sponsor me because it's getting expensive. Oh, this looks like fun, guys. Hard packed snow does not feel good, though, when you fall. But this looks like a lot of fun. Is this guy gonna get pissed? Dude, what do you think was gonna happen? You don't put your hands on somebody. Unless he's like on private land and what, still, you don't do this. You don't do this. Now, yes, he found an escape path. We're going to get out of the way. But, you know, if you accidentally swerved into... No, I'm not condoning. I'm not condoning it. But if it happened, make sure you guys have a rescue pack so you can rescue him, because this guy's an absolute idiot. Should have grabbed his wallet and then buy a rescue pack. But you can't. It's in Finland. We'd only ship to the United States. But you can get the MTC Rider Academy. That's international. It's only $4.99 a month. Anyways, here we go. Moto Max going through here. Emerging area. This is definitely going to be an orange stage. People like to do that. Found his way around. Moving on. We're trying to make this a short video, guys. Trying to make it a short video because there's going to be a lot of stuff we can't really talk about here. When a moving force meets a movable object, soldier in hell. Exactly right. T. Swain. These made multiple attempts over 2 weeks on this bike. Oh no. Who here has to park it? What'd he break? What was it that he broke? I have an alarm on mine, but still broke the steering lock. That's what it sounded like. What are you guys gonna do in England? Hey, you know, throw tomatoes or something? I mean, watch out for the babies. I mean, out here in America, be a little bit different. Yeah, bear traps. Bear traps would work. Oh, that's a nice looking bike. If this is like the second or third attempt, that dude in the back is filming it on his TikTok. It's at 12:55 in the morning. Yeah, paintball gun with like. Yeah, filming a crime as a criminal is weird. I don't know, man. I mean, some ball bearings. And okay, he mounted the motorcycle. Okay. Okay, so just think. So multiple deterrents, multiple things. You know, he's got an alarm. They broke that steering lock like it was nothing. Disc locks possibly could be helpful here because it seems like they're just trying to roll it away. Disc lock would help out quite a bit. Auditory alarms. Typically, these thieves are just opportunistic, and so they're going to find the easiest thing. Probably one of the easiest things that we could do is just, you know, capital punishment. Hey, Crow. This is in Tucson.
I can push your car.
You can?
Put on neutral.
Thank you so
Perfect. I can
Very nice, dude.
gas station, or we can go over there. It's up to you.
Let's go over there.
Okay, cool.
In these situations, just make the choice for them.
I'll have to push this car to that side. Can you block the traffic?
Yeah, frozen paintballs would be nice. Crow, you're amazing, man. He does this all the time. He just somehow finds people that need help, and he just does it. I mean, obviously, if he's recording and he does something bad, he hasn't been posting.
I have no idea what just happened.
Don't mess with his stuff. Okay.
Huh.
I was gonna say, don't.
Oh, is that a cop?
Oh, I thought they were gonna push his stuff over. Don't mess with his stuff. Ooh, we having a little fight over here. Security guard. We're just gonna try to power through this. TK stunts, you know, just do your thing. Oh, we gonna get fights. Oh, if somebody gets hurt, make sure you get your rescue pack. Remain calm. Ensure your own safety. You don't need to jump in. Who knows if this guy has a knife?
Hey, homie, come on. Let me get you something.
Touch my food, homie.
Hey, let me get you something, bro. You want something to drink? You want something to drink?
Idiot.
Hey, it's all good. Just leave him alone, man.
Hold over here. Touch my.
Hey,
Yeah.
Cause you're disrespectful.
hey,
Evil
hey,
person
hey, come on, man.
in the thigh.
Leave
Ooh.
him alone. Hey,
Adult children are no fun to be around.
Now, if you throw it in the trash, you.
hey, man. He's not worth it, man. He's not worth it. You want something to drink? You want something to
He's,
drink? He's not worth it.
TK is doing his best to de-escalate the situation.
Hey, come on. He's not worth it, man.
You're not gonna be able to solve his problem.
Hey, come on, bro. Hey, he's not.
Just walk away. He's walking away. Leave him alone.
Hey, he
Situation's de-escalated. TK, if you just walked away, nothing would happen.
want something to drink. Come on. Let's get you a drink.
You deserve to have this job, you idiot.
Hey, come on, man. Hey, they're not worth it. They're not worth it.
Just give him like a couple bucks and walk away.
Drink.
I don't know. You do whatever you want. I don't want to tell you what I would do, but that's what I would do.
Tea? You want a water?
I mean, you just left your girlfriend out there. Security guard's hitting on her. I know he's going through a lot. Highly emotional
My food.
Hey, you taught
for
him?
whatever reason it is.
No more. Hey, let me get you.
Sad.
I'm messing with him. I just got here.
Hey, it's all good, man.
You missed an ice. All right, let's just move on.
Make sure you're okay. You're okay. Hey, it's all good. I think he learned today, dude.
He's just doing his job. Everyone's just doing their thing. I know, if you do your job, you screw it up and everything. But hey, guys, yeah, that was hopefully a quick video. It was only 13 minutes, 14 minutes. But make sure you guys sign up for the MTC Rider Academy, and I'm going to stop hitting the record button right about now because we're going to be watching nothing else. All right.